How to turn on or turn off force enable notes roll on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on scroll down to and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and you will see force force enable nodes role is here. So if you want to turn on force enable nodes role, so turn on this button, you will see force enable nodes role is turn on. So if you want to turn off force enable nodes role, so turn off this button, you will see force enable nodes role turn off from here. So you will turn on or turn off force enable nodes roll from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off force roll enable nodes roll on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.